So I'll be showing you how to connect and set up your JBL Charge 6 with your Android phone. Now, the first thing you need to do is turn on the speaker, and it should go into pairing mode immediately, as you can see. Now, you may or may not see this prompt depending on whether you have the app installed or not. But the surest way of going about this is to go to settings, basically your Bluetooth settings. So for this Samsung, I'll go to connections, then Bluetooth, and then make sure Bluetooth is on first. And then it's going to start scanning for available Bluetooth devices. And as long as your speaker is in pairing mode, it's going to get detected. Now, if it's not in pairing mode, you want to press this button, and you can tell it's in pairing mode because this Bluetooth button will be blinking like this. So now you can go to available devices that have been found, tap on your JBL Charge 6. It's going to ask for a pairing request, tap on pair, and it's going to get connected. Simple as that. Now you can go a step further and also install the JBL portable app in case you haven't. So just go to your Play Store and install the JBL portable application, this one right here. So with this installed, just go ahead and launch it, and once your speaker is connected to your phone, it should get picked up in the app. So there you go. So there's a JBL Charge 6, and that gives you access to some more functionality. For instance, you can see the exact percentage. You have your equalizer with some default predetermined equalizer settings, but of course you can go all the way to the end and customize your own equalization settings and set your music exactly the way you want it. And then you also have the playtime boost, which increases your battery life. And then you have your stereo group, where you can have multiple speakers paired using Auracast. And then you have your product information page, where you can see your firmware, your serial number, you can rename your speaker and whatnot. So that is basically how to connect and set up your JBL Charge 6 with your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.